Welcome to a J Factory Flow, where we uncover the amazing secrets behind the world's most fascinating products, currencies, and manufacturing processes. Have you ever wondered how a simple raw material transforms into an incredible product? Or what hidden details and stories are found behind the currencies used around the world? From giant factories and advanced machines to skilled craftsmanship and unique production techniques, we bring you closer to the journey behind every creation. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the incredible world of technology, industry, and innovation. If you enjoy discovering how things are made and learning amazing facts from around the globe, don't forget to subscribe to a J Factory Flow, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fascinating journey. Let's begin today's amazing story.
The color uniformity looks excellent through Zone 3. Confirmed. Temperature and moisture levels are optimal.
Utilizing precision airflow systems, the Dubai-style Pistachio Kunafa chocolate bars advance through the secondary cooling zone, finalizing the crystallization process.
Check the surface gloss metric here. Ratios are perfect. We are maintaining the Dubai-style standard. Inside the packaging integration department, machine vision systems inspect every tray before robotic grippers execute the insertion with pinpoint accuracy. At the heart of the Dubai facility, these machines apply the final luxury sleeves, ensuring every Pistachio Kunafa bar meets the highest standards.
Inspection complete. Quality verified. Approved for luxury retail.
The robotic pallet building systems calculate optimal stacking configurations, ensuring precision in the global distribution network.
Verification complete on pallet 409er.
Confirmed. Routing authorized for Dubai export.
Verify the shipment synchronization for the New York route. We need those Pistachio Kunafa bars moving. Systems show green. Confirming the New York shipment is on schedule. Riyadh container just cleared customs, updating the manifest now. As the sun sets over Dubai, the first shipment of the revolutionary Pistachio Kunafa chocolate bar begins its journey to markets worldwide. Here at the Regional Distribution Center, automated systems receive the Dubai-style Pistachio Kunafa chocolate, verifying each shipment for distribution.